Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to transform your life by earning online? This video is going to show you exactly how to do it with Preply. Whether you're a teacher or just someone who loves sharing knowledge, this platform can open doors to financial freedom. But here's the deal. Don't rush into it. Watch this video till the end because I'll walk you through every single step. I'm not just explaining. I'll apply for a teaching job myself, showing you my mistakes and how I fix them to get approved and start earning. Trust me, this step-by-step guide will save you from the same errors and set you on the path to success. So, let's get started. First, search preply.com. This is the main dashboard from where you have two options. If you need tutors, click here. If you want to be a teacher, click on Become a Tutor. Now here, you have to follow 3 steps. Sign up, get approved, and start earning. So, click on Create a Tutor Profile now. Here we have 3 options to sign up. Through a Google account, Facebook, or manually by putting your email address and password. I will go with my Google account. Once it's done, we need to complete these 8 steps, which is very easy. Give your basic information like first name, last name, email, country of birth. Select a subject you want to teach. Select a language you speak, add your phone number, click on Confirm you are over 18, and then save and continue. Select the level of the language you are going to teach. C2 means advanced level. Now upload a profile picture. Here, if you have a teaching certificate, fill in this part, but if you don't have one, just click on the first option that says, I don't have a teaching certificate. I have one, so I will submit that. It's not talking about your degree, it's just a teaching certificate. If you don't have it, no worries. Step 4, your education. If you don't have higher education, don't worry. Just click on I don't have. I will give my information from bachelor's. Give your university name, degree name, select degree type, make sure whatever documents you have to select that, select your degree specialization, add years of study, and upload those documents. If you have more degrees or education, click on Add another education. For example, I have a master's degree, so I will follow the same process. I also have one more language degree, so I will add more. Once it's done, click Save and Continue. Now, profile description. Introduce yourself, your name, country, education, and interests. Give your teaching experience. Motivate potential students, or if you need AI-generated content, you can do that. For example, I'm a certified tutor with 5 years of experience. Write a short motivational sentence to encourage students to read your full description. Now test your camera. Just check if your camera is working. In this process, if you want, you can live record your video, or you need to make a video and upload that video on YouTube or Vimeo and share the link. This process really makes me crazy, so you need to take care here. You cannot upload your video here, which we did in LiveXP and NativeCamp. I will show you, and you need to follow. Before that, make sure for YouTube you need to make a horizontal video, which means 16.9, not a short style video, and it should be less than 2 minutes. So let's go to complete the process. First, go to your YouTube channel. Don't worry about your subscribers, just upload it even if you have 0 subscribers. While uploading a video on YouTube, here's what you need to care about. It's optional, but if you don't want your video public, click on Unlisted. Copy the video link and click on Save. Once it's done, set your time zone. If it's your time zone, click on Yes. If not, click on No and search for your current time zone. After that, set your availability for the times you can teach. Once it's done, click on Save and Continue. Here, you need to set your price for 50 minutes. The recommended price is $3, but you can change it anytime once you get approval, because they mentioned that tutors who follow their price recommendation have a 40% higher chance of teaching their first trial lesson within a week of approval. Once it's done, click on Complete Registration. Now, I successfully submitted my application. Here they mentioned that within 5 business days they will send me an email about my application status update, but I got it within an hour because of the price I set before. I got this email that I needed to change something. It's again the same crazy thing. My video was not following their policy. So I will edit it again. What was the problem? It was not a horizontal video, and I needed to allow embedding while uploading my video on YouTube. So let's do it. If you are using software like Adobe or CapCut, it will be very simple. Or if you want to use your mobile phone, do a simple thing. While making a video, put your phone in horizontal or landscape position and record your video. I will edit the same video on CapCut, upload your video, and simply change the ratio size to 16.9 and download it. Now let's upload a video. While uploading a video, make sure of these settings. Again, I will remind you, it's not important how many subscribers you have. Even if you have 0 subscribers, you can upload a video here. So click on Create and upload your video. Select a thumbnail. Click It's Not for Kids. Click on Show More and scroll down. Here, make sure that Allow Embedding is enabled. Click Next. Here, select the Unlisted option if you don't want to show your video to the public. Copy the link from here and click on Save. Once it's done, go to your Preplay option and click on Insert Link. Paste your YouTube video link here, scroll down, and click Save. When I did that, I got this email that my profile was approved. Now I need to complete this final process of a 2-minute onboarding process to start earning. So let's complete this. Click on Start Onboarding. Here we have 6 simple steps to complete. You don't need to fill in something because we already did these things. It's just a recap. So scroll down and click on Continue. Once you complete these 3 steps, your profile will be live. Now students can find my profile and book a lesson with me. So this is the schedule slot. You can check if your student sent you messages, check your lessons, and make your profile visible or hide it as well. Now this is my final profile, which is visible to students. If you want to start earning, just click on Book Trial Lesson. So at the end, here are some important notes while you start building your profile. Make a good horizontal or landscape video less than 2 minutes. Make an eye-catching thumbnail. If you give any information related to your certificate or education, make sure you have the scanned documents with you. Make sure your time zone is set correctly. Set your availability to the times you can teach to avoid surprise classes or class cancellations. Do subscribe the channel and start your earning.